What if I told you that your thoughts could shape your reality, attracting either poverty or prosperity into your life? Our minds are powerful magnets, drawing in experiences that resonate with our deepest thoughts and beliefs. Embrace the idea of abundance, and watch as opportunities and wealth flow into your life effortlessly. The Wealth Creation Mastermind program teaches you how to harness the power of your mind to achieve real success. Your conscious mind is the thinker, deciding what you want to be, do, and have, while your subconscious mind is the powerhouse that makes it happen. Imagine your subconscious mind as the unseen part of an iceberg, substantial and powerful, driving your actions and results. To manifest your desires, you must emotionalize your thoughts, feeling as if you already have what you want. Surround yourself with successful, like-minded individuals to elevate your own success and cut the learning curve. This process is practical, not theoretical. Follow a proven system, and the results are assured. Join us and learn how to manifest your dreams. Your journey to abundance starts now.